Tired of the constant decline in email performance? I was too. The solution is to build highly targeted segments of subscribers based on their behavior and interests. But the fact is, it's far away from replacing email, and here's why. Hard to sell. Messengers are very personal. People do not expect to get any ad messages there, therefore selling there is harder and complaint level is much higher. Bots are risky. Chatbot platforms are startups mostly that can disappear or stop to work anytime. Your list is not yours. Facebook has zero spam tolerance and can shut down whole chatbot platform because of behavior of just one user. Email marketing is the only true, open platform that will work forever. Benefits of this type of segmentation are: you are more targeted when you are mailing the correct segment. You'll have a super list of highly engaged, hyper-responsive subscribers. Increase in sales and revenue from your mailings. Utilize different strategies by doing mailing to each segment. Promote a few offers at same time without abusing your subscribers. Have less complaints and unsubscribes. And all by segmenting each campaign into smaller lists/segments. To get Email Marketing Pro tools or to see a complete review, click on the link that appears in the description below this video.